Group technology is a production method. The theory improve the production effectiveness by taking their advantage of the fundamental sameness of the common form, scale, process, method, etc. Why group technologies? First one, average lot of size decreasing. The second one, part variety increasing. The third one, increase the variety of material. The fourth one, with the diverse properties. The fifth one, requirement for closure. Sixth one, tolerance. Part family is a group of parts identical either due to their geometrical shape and size or because their the production involve identical processing steps. The part of the family are distinct but are similar enough for the members of the part family to be included. Group of part family. Grouping of part families has been solved by the three general methods. All three take time and include the review of large number of data by trained worker. First one is a visual inspection method. The visual inspection method is a least sophisticated and the cheapest. It involves the classification of parts into families by looking either the physical parts or their photograph and organization them into a group with a similar properties. Next one is a part classification and coding. It has two types. The similar between the parts identified in the classification and coding of parts. These similarity are related to the coding system. Design attribute concerned with the parts characteristics such as geometry, size, and material. Manufacturing attributes that consider this sequence of processing steps required to make a part of parts. FMS is a flexible manufacturing system. It is a highly automated group technology machine cell consisting a group of processing plant. Example, usually a CNC machine tools interconnected by the automated material handling and storage system and controlled by the distributed of computer system. The reason of the FMS is called flexible is that it is capable of processing a variety of different part styles simultaneously at the different workstations and the mix of part styles and the production quantity can be adjusted in the response to changing demand patterns. The FMS is most suitable for the middle variety and middle volume production range. FMS is most suitable for the mid variety and mid volume production range. FMS type manufacturing system can be divided into different types depending on their characteristics. First one is depending upon the kinds of operations. It has two types. Depending upon kinds of operation, the flexible manufacturing system can be distinguished depend upon the types of operation they perform. First one is service of manufacturing. The second one is assembly operation. The service of manufacturing, such operation convert the working material from one stage to another, moving towards the final desired component or product. Adds the value by modifying the structure, properties or appearance of the starting materials. The joining process include welding, brazing, soldering, bonding, rivets and press fitting and expansion of fitting, etc. Next one is depending upon the kinds of operation. It has two types. The first one is service of manufacturing. Second one is assembly operations. The service of manufacturing, such operations convert the working material from one stage to another, moving towards the final desired component or product. Adds the value by modifying the structure, properties or appearance of the starting material. The joining process include welding, brazing, soldering, bonding, rivets, press fitting and expansion fittings. Next one is a assembly operation. It involves joining two or more components to create a new entirely called the assembly or subassembly. Permanent joining process including welding, brazing, soldering, bonding, rivets, press fitting and expansion of fittings. Next one is depending upon the number of machine. Next one is depending upon the number of machines. First one is SMC. Second one is FMC. Third one is FMS. SMC means single machine cell, flexible manufacturing cell, flexible manufacturing system. The first one is SMC. SMC, single machine cell. It consists of a fully automated system capable of unattended service for duration longer than one machine cycle. It capable of handling various component types, adopting changes in the production schedule. In this case, the operation is sequential and not simultaneous. Second one is a FMC. It consists of two more processing station and a component handling system. The part handling system is connected to the loading or unloading station. It is capable of generating the various parts simultaneously. Next one is a FMS, flexible manufacturing system. It has four more processing stations, usually CNC machining center or turning center or milling center, connected mechanically by a specific handling network and automated by distributed computer systems. It includes the non-processing workstation that assist but do not directly participate in the development. Example, part, pallet, washing station, coordinated measuring machines. Third one is depending upon flexibility level. It has two types. First one is a dedicated FMS, second one is a random order FMS. Dedicated FMS. It is designed to produce a wide variety of component types. The nature of the product is considered to be a set. Thus, the system can be built with a certain amount of the process specialization to make the operations more effectively. Next one is a random order FMS. It is capable of handling major variations in the configurations of the components. The order to accommodate this difference, the random order of the FMS must be more flexible than the dedicated FMS. A random order FMS is capable of handling parts with a high degree of complexity. For these kinds of FMS, sophisticated computer controller systems is used to deal with this kind of complexity. Next one is a inspection facility. This involves the coordinate measuring machine CMM used for offline inspection and designed to measure the dimension and concentricity, perpendicularity and flatness of surface. The distinctive characteristics of this machinery is that it is well integrated with the machining center. The system must be capable of recovering the coolant. The component of parts, fixtures and pallets must be cleaned properly to remove the dirt and chips before operations and inspection.